Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to fold Ford Explorer seats. First, let's tackle the second row. To fold these seats, simply locate the release lever, usually found on the side of the seat back near the shoulder. Pull this lever firmly to unlatch the seat. Then, gently push the seat back forward until it lays flat. Make sure the headrests are lowered for a perfectly flat loading area. This simple action significantly expands your vehicle's versatility. Now, let's move to the third row, specifically for models with manual folding seats. From the rear cargo area, you will find a strap or a lever on the top of each third row seatback. Pull this strap or lever to release the latch. Then, push the seat back down and forward until it lies completely flat. Always ensure both seats are securely latched in their flat position before loading any cargo. For those with the convenient power fold third row seats, the process is even simpler. Head to the rear cargo area and locate the control panel, typically on the side. You'll see buttons labeled Fold and Stow for each seat. Press the Fold button and the seat will automatically fold flat. For maximum space, press Stow to fully retract the seat into the floor, creating a completely level surface. By folding down both the second and third row seats, you unlock an impressive amount of cargo capacity. Many Ford Explorer models offer over 80 cubic feet of space with all rear seats folded flat. This creates a vast, level loading floor, perfect for transporting large items, sports equipment, or luggage for a big trip. Remember to always secure your cargo to prevent movement while driving. Enjoy your expanded versatility.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.